Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Libita Lagakina Mimi for those of you who are new. So today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair Company, and I'm really excited because I never thought color would look so good on me, and I am just blown away. You guys, look at that. I'm really happy, you guys, with the color. Everything looks absolutely gorgeous. It suits me so well. Like, this is literally my new favorite unit. I'm so happy. Look at me, guys. Can you see that? I'm really happy, guys. The shine, everything about this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I keep on looking at the monitor because I'm just like guys, Unice Hair Company did the things. Like, it did the things. I'm so happy, you guys. Like, I can't stop touching the hair. The curls are really soft. This unit was made for me, guys. Okay, like, this unit is, guys, look, guys, do you see what I'm talking about though? So I'm just gonna keep on looking at myself, but while I do that, please do not forget to check the description box for more information, you guys, so that you can be able to purchase this gorgeous wig from Unice Hair Company. And once again, thank you so much, Unice Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. So without any further ado, honey, let's get straight into today's video. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Unice Hair Company. I'm gonna start with the lovely box. It is red and it is also written Unice Hair in silver. I love it. On the side of the box it's written dream hair for you. The velcro part, like, literally it gets me. Look at that. It gets me, you guys. So this is the hair is so beautiful, but first let me show you the goodies. So how cute is this, you guys? I'm wearing one of their wig caps. I love these wig caps, but on this particular video we are not going to be using a wig cap because the hair is glueless, so we are not going to be using it. But this is the wig cap. I'm always wearing lashes, so I'm really grateful. Look at the lashes, honey, they are giving. Oh my goodness, the makeup brush is super soft. It looks really classy. I'm excited to try it out, guys. This is I kind of call it a scarf to lay your edges, and of course it has velcro. Oh my goodness, the quality is really insane, and of course it is branded. Guys, do you see what I'm seeing though? Do you see the color? Oh my goodness, guys, I've never owned anything like this, so I'm really excited. So this is how it looks. It is super shiny. This is how it looks inside. It is a teapot wig, you guys, and it has about 3 combs inside, and also my personal favorite, it has 2 adjustable belt. And yeah, this is how it looks, you guys. I love the fact that the lace is super soft, so it's going to be super easy to work with. I just can't get over this bouncy body wave wig. It is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I'm so excited. So as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. And yeah, guys, please do not forget to check the description box for more information and for direct links to purchase this wig. Let's install it. Okay, let's install it.
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new.
I love it.
Oh, I love it. Everything that you built up isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, 'cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. everything that you built up isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many.
Guys, honestly, I feel like this color was made for me. I look so good. I feel so good. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. I'm really happy with everything. The way the curls are looking, I'm so happy, you guys. The quality of the hair, please do not forget to check the description box, guys, for more information. I'm really happy. I look so good. I'm even blushing. I'm like, who's this girl? Oh my goodness, I'm happy. I'm really happy, you guys. So thank you so much to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. We really do love great quality hair, guys, on this channel. I'm really happy, guys. I'm so excited. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curly memes. Until next time, bye bye.